What's up? Just got home from shopping, of course, and I kind of went to the bone, broke all the bone. Over there, I'm gonna come back full of car. But I want to show you guys what I got today. I probably don't want to do some shopping. I might, but my grandma might buy it. First stop was Target. Went to Target, and I got One Direction, towel, I think. It was $10.99. Now it's $7.69. I got a One Direction towel with Liam, Harry, Niall, all the boys. And I wanted to buy this when, I was going to camp, but I'm bringing it next year. I love you, boys. Got that. And then I got conditioner. Not like conditioner for my hair. Mouthwash. Sourdough. I would do this on Monday, but and then I got this. And this total was $2.26, means $2.26. $3.99, $1.49, $2.44. And the total was $7.68. And the total was $19.31. Give her 20 and I got 26 cents back. 20 cents back. That's my Target haul. And then I really want to do this on my Directioner channel, but okay. I got Liam, Louis, Zane, Zane, that's Louis, and Harry Styles. I'm going to do a video on my cup on the next video. And then I got a dog tag, Harry Styles, because I lost it. It was only $1. It was only a Steven dollar. I'm kind of hungry. I'm going to do a Directioner video. But all the cups was 87 cents. And then I got a dog tag for $1. And then I got a Mountain Dew. You probably see the last Mountain Dew set. $1.50 each. And the total was $7.44. It was like 10, and I got $2.52.